Hello guys, it's another time again and we are back again at it. So this is our weekly review of God's like trade from Monday up to Friday. So it was a tough week, I would say. Last week I had 100% winning trades, but this week was it was wow, like it was but let's see this is what it is. As usual, normal is USD, always New York session, and a lot happened. So I want that you stay back and watch me take you on that journey. So let's drive back. This is on Monday, and this last one here was on Friday, my last trade, and this one here, this was where this candle here was where New York session opened on Monday, which was on the 15th of July. So the only thing I was waiting for was just a simple thing, just a break, a retest on this previous high here, because when price, this is where I exited my buy, so price just retraced and came back to this area here was a strong support on the 1 hour time frame. So with this, the only time I was expecting was price for just, since price was already here and market open at this resistance, I was just expecting a pullback. And if you can see, I already marked out an arrow there, which was signifying what I wanted to see. So when market opened, going back to my candlestick chart, when market opened, I just waited for the market to come down here. I marked out this area here and I was waiting patiently for it. So when market came there around 2:30, if not mistaken, and immediately I saw this engulfing candle, I entered immediately. My risk management was checked and everything was in check, and I was targeting, since we were approaching a new high. A new high was around this area here, so I was being very careful on my exits. So I entered, and immediately I saw this candlestick reaction at this level here, I exited my buy, and that gave me a whooping risk to reward of 4:7, which was a good one. So that was it on Monday. And coming to let me carry my pen which is my arrow. So coming here on Tuesday, which was on the 16th, of which I traded in during New York session. When I came, market was I think at this area here, this candlestick there. So I just waited for a pullback, simple as ABCD. So I marked out this high here, of which I just touched this high here, and I was waiting for price to get down. Price came back there a little bit early because it was quick, around 2 if not mistaken. So around let me say 1:45, price came back there, and immediately I saw this engulfing candle here, which took out the previous bearish candle. I entered immediately on the close of our bullish candle, and I targeted this recent high. Yes, that was what I targeted, because we were very close to an all-time high. I think the all-time high was, I think, somewhere here. Yes, the all-time high was here on this blue line here. That was where the all-time high was. So I was being very careful. So when price got to this previous high, I exited. I was still watching because I wasn't satisfied. So I was still watching, and when price broke this high, I was seeing a possible retest on this high. I was like, it's like price is kind of going to create a new all-time high, you get. So when I saw this pin bar that appeared here exactly at this level, I was like, okay, let's go in for a buy. And I saw some kind of candlestick formation on the 5 minutes chart. So I was like, okay, let me get in on this. It's like it's striped to enter. So I got in on the second entry, and I was being very careful because I broke even and just wanted price action to do its thing, you get. So when I now saw that price was playing around at this level, I'm like, oh no, I got to get out, you get. So which landed me on the first one was a 1:3, and the second one was a 1:5. I think I ended up with like 300 pips in profit, you get. So I was happy. Did I happy? Yeah, it's worth to be happy, you get. So now that was this on Tuesday. I now came on Wednesday, which was one of the tough days, you get. It was tough, I won't lie. it was tough because I had to crack my brain, crack and crack and crack to get the levels correctly. So this huge gray line here, brown line here, was where I probably marked out because I saw that price broke it. That was a resistance that turned support. When price broke it, retested, played around, and I was seeing this level here too on a 30 minutes time frame, probably still clear on 15 minutes, and I marked it out, which was this place. And you can see vividly it was giving me a possible a potential inverse head and shoulder you get. And remember, we are at an all-time high level, so I marked this area. I was like, it's like market is going to give us another potential buy you get. So, and this area here was where that place where my arrow is was where market opened during New York session. I was like, okay, I think it's time to just enter. So turning back to my candlestick chart, I was able to see on the opening of the London's New York session, I entered immediately on the close of that candle, and I was fucked up. I won't lie, I was fucked up because I marked out my all-time high, which is also the recent high, and I was just kind of being watchful, but market was faster than me. I would say market was really fast because the reversal was pretty quick. Like, I didn't expect that to come. It was quick. So market does escape my TP with I think some few pips, because if I should calculate, market gave me it was just 26 pips away from my overall TP, and I already had as at the reversal point I already made $100 approximately, and it took just few minutes for the reversal, and it came out really tapped on the reason I just reversed, and whoa, that was straight to my head, and I didn't break even. This is what it is. That's what we face sometimes. So I just closed my chat and I left. Then that was it. Then coming down to Thursday, another tough one. I would say it was another tough one. So on this day it was really tricky. I won't lie, it was really tricky. So my normal analysis, I went down, though I normally go analyze from the 4 hour down to the 1 hour, and plot my zones for the higher time, which is the 4 hour and the 1 hour, because I'm a day trader. I don't swing trade, only when it's necessary you get. But if I should swing trade, I always like to break even because I want to have a good night's sleep. Anytime I leave my trade overnight, it's like I'm always dreaming. I'm like, oh, I'll see myself, hey TP, hey, I'll be waking up. You get those vibes. So I can't see myself keeping trades overnight, and I don't like paying swaps. I don't like it. I don't like paying swaps. So I like to close my trade only when it's necessary, and if I should hold my trade overnight, that should be on a break-even trade. I don't like to keep it risk. I always want it to be risk-free if it should be overnight. So I entered this trade. So this was my analysis when this market broke. This was this green line here was a support, a resistance that turned support you get on this, as at this level. Sorry for that. As at this level here, when price broke it initially, it turned this resistance to a support and kept respecting it until when it broke it aggressively you get. So on the 4 hour chart, this zone was a zone that wasn't retested yet. No, don't mind this level that is looking like a retest. On the 4 hour chart, it wasn't retested yet, so I was just expecting a retest and a sell you get, because on this level here there was a strong candle on the 1 hour chart that broke it aggressively. That's the retracement on this point here. So that being done, I was spotting a potential head and shoulder pattern here, which was what made me have a sell bias. Yes, it made me have a sell bias. I was spotting the inverted head and shoulder pattern there. If you look clearly, you'll see that price gave me a potential right shoulder, the pullback, then the head, and it gave me next neckline, and oh my stuff, and he gave me this right shoulder here, of which I was thinking it was ripe to sell, you get. But I didn't do anything wrong, I won't say, but sometimes the market always does what it feels like it wants to do at some point in time. So when let me take this off. So when I saw this bearish move, and lest I forget, this was where market opened, that point here, that dot, that was where market opened. So market was already approaching and giving us a potential second shoulder, of which was going to initiate the drop. So when I saw this this engulfing candle, I was like, it's like it's time to sell, you get. So I didn't enter immediately because there was news there, and my broker didn't allow me, didn't execute my order immediately, so I didn't want to enter anyhow, you get. So I just waited for a potential pullback, which was what I saw here, you get. So when I saw this bearish candle happen, I was like, okay, let me get in. I didn't want to take chances, so I got in. I normally my stop loss is max 40 pips. I don't take more than 40 pips stop loss, so I left my stop loss there, and let's say, okay, let me see what market will do. So market just went in like I think 20 pips or 30 pips, I would say, and reversed, and it took me out. I was like, oh wow. So this place now, this level here was acting like a potential support. I was like, okay, let us see, because that was the neckline. So market does reverse, took me out about 10 pips. So really painful, I won't lie. It took me out like that would be like 20 pips. Yes, it took me out on 20 pips and reversed immediately. What the shit was that? It reversed it reversed immediately and came straight to my take profit, straight up. And I was like, it was a very whoosh, because the setup was visible on the 4-hour time frame. So I was certainly sure that it was going to sell. Like, I was out of 100%, I would say I was 80% sure that it was going to sell, that the sale was going to be massive, and it even went farther than where I was even expecting it to sell from, you get. So I was so sure that it was going to come to this level, but this was a significant level. It was a significant level on the higher time frame, you get. I marked it out and was like, this is going to happen. But painfully, unfortunately, I was stopped out, and the analysis played out nice. I would say I did a wrong thing by entering on this support. Yes, I did a wrong thing by entering on this support, because immediately market stopped me out. I just closed and left. So I didn't see this this next move. If I saw this next move, maybe I would have had a second thought and entered. So that was it on Thursday. That was making it a second loss. Coming to Friday, let me pick my pen. Coming to Friday, I would say another one. So after that massive sell that happened, this was where market opened. It was where market opened, because I have tried to discipline myself to only trade New York session so that I can be focused and get. It's not by trading all the sessions and just get messy and tired. So when I came, I marked out this level here. This level here was a potential level of which I was expecting market to buy from. Yes, this level here. So when this level came, I saw this double bottom being formed, so I entered immediately, and I was stopped out almost immediately. Yeah, I was almost immediately. I know what shit. It was painful though, I would say it was painful. So overall, if I should shrink my charts, I think I had some couple of wins and some couple of losses, some painful losses, I would say. Some painful losses. So I ended up in profit though, because my risk to reward on my profit was really high. Yes, my risk to reward was high, so I still closed in good profit. So that was it for the week. I hope to see you back. Thanks for watching. It was an amazing one, and let's see how this week goes. Peace out.